In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 18. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about downloading DaVinci Resolve 18, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, open a web browser. Any browser works, but for this demonstration, I'll use Google Chrome. Head to a search engine and look for DaVinci Resolve. It's crucial to download it safely, and I'll guide you through it. Once you've found the official website, which is blackmagicdesign.com, as they own DaVinci Resolve 18, click on it. Scroll down through the information until you reach the section Two Great Versions. DaVinci Resolve itself is free to download, labeled accordingly. Click on Free Download. You'll find options for DaVinci Resolve 18 Beta or DaVinci Resolve 17. For this guide, we're focusing on DaVinci Resolve 18. Choose your operating system. Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or Linux, select the appropriate one. You'll need to fill in some information on the following page. Once you've entered the details, click on Register and Download. The download, approximately 2.9 gigabytes, should start instantly. In case it doesn't, ensure you manually type in your information and view the privacy policy if prompted. Downloads can vary based on browsers. After completion, locate the downloaded file, which usually appears in the Downloads folder of your File Explorer. Extract the zip file to access the setup file. Simply double-click on it to launch the installer. Follow the installation process. Ensure all necessary components are selected as DaVinci Resolve requires them all. Once done, the setup wizard will guide you through the final steps. Read and agree to the terms. Choose your installation location and initiate the installation process. After completion, you may need to restart your computer, so keep that in mind. Once restarted, you'll find the DaVinci Resolve icon on your desktop, or can search for it using the search function. Open the application. When you first launch it, there might be a brief delay as it initializes. You'll be greeted with the DaVinci Resolve 18 interface, equipped with various sections like Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. Congratulations! DaVinci Resolve 18 is now ready for use. Drag in your media files and start editing. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. For more information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.